Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gumroad to sell an ebook. First, head over to Gumroad's website and sign up for a free account. You can use your email or a social media account for quick registration. After signing up, you'll need to verify your email address to activate your account fully. Once verified, you'll be directed to your creator dashboard, which is your central hub for managing all your products and sales. This initial step takes just a few minutes. Now let's create your ebook product. From your dashboard, click New Product and choose Digital Product. Give your ebook a catchy name and write a detailed description highlighting its benefits. Set a fair price. Gumroad takes a small percentage, starting at 10% for new creators. Finally, upload your ebook file. PDF and EPUB are excellent choices, ensuring broad compatibility for your readers. Next, we'll refine your product's presentation. Upload an eye-catching cover image and a few preview images to showcase your ebook's content. Write a brief, impactful summary and add relevant tags to help customers find your product through search. You can also set up different pricing tiers or offer discounts. For instance, you might offer a bonus chapter for a slightly higher price, giving customers more value. With everything set, it's time to publish. Double-check all your product details, from the description to the pricing, ensuring accuracy. Once you're satisfied, hit the Publish button. Your ebook is now live and ready for sale. Share your unique Gumroad product link across your social media channels, website, and email list. Gumroad also offers tools to help you send updates and promotions to your audience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.